and I'm back with another hair video. I know you guys are used to seeing me do my hair, but today is going to be different. I'm going to be doing my beautiful cousin's hair, and we're doing soft false locks on her hair, and we're using pre-made locks. And as you can see, we already braided her hair up, and yeah, so let's get started. Stay tuned. We're going to be using pre-made locks, and that's when the locks is already pre-made, and she wanted it to be a little longer, so she extended another lock with each other. And so let's get started. What I'm going to do is use my crochet hook and slide it through her braid here. See, slide it. And then the pre-made lock has a little loop on there, so I'm just going to attach that like that, and then attach that so it won't fall out, and then loop that through like that. And then once that's in, I'll take that in this loop and tie it. And so once you tie it, you leave this part of the hair out too as well. So I'm going to take my crochet hook and slide it through the hair, and then take her hair, attach it to the hook, and then slide it through. So this way is easier to do with just sticking the crochet needle through the pre-made lock and then attaching her hair through the hook. And then once you do that, like I said, you just slide that through the pre-made lock. And it's easier to do it this way because if you did watch my video with the pre-made locks that I did on my hair, I twisted around my hair like that, but I noticed after a while my braid was sticking out, and we don't really want that. So it's better to just wrap it around like that, and you can't really see it. So this video is not so much of a tutorial, especially since I do have a tutorial on these pre-made locks on my channel already, and I'll leave a link down below. But this is more so to show you guys what we're doing with our hair during quarantine and how we're surviving without having a beauty supply store or any salons open. You have to improvise. So me and her were working together to make sure her hair looks on point, even though we're just staying in the living room. I know there are a lot of beauty supply stores that are closed, but she was lucky. And if you are in the Atlanta area, anywhere in Lawrenceville, Swanee, she found a beauty supply store that was open in Swanee. Lucky for her. And she found some pack-up hair, and that's what we're doing here, having fun doing hair during quarantine, making sure we look presentable for the living room. So you will see me wrapping some of the pre-made lock around her hair majority of the time, because it does take a little bit longer. In the start of it, I will crochet her hair in, and then towards the end I will start wrapping that pre-made lock around her hair, because it does take a little bit longer if you just sit there and crochet her hair within each lock. And if I take longer than expected, my hand starts to lock up. So I don't want that. We want it to be done a little bit faster. So here I am. Like I said, you'll see me wrapping some of her hair around some of the locks. Some of them I'll just crochet all in and then wrap. But majority of it, you'll see me doing the same tutorial I did in my previous video, just to get things done faster. Mentioned earlier, guys, there are going to be some locks that I'm going to wrap around her actual hair just to get done a little bit quicker. I mean, we're basically already at the top of her hair because she already started her braids before I got there. This process of doing her hair was a little bit quicker. I think it took about 7 hours to do because we started around 1, but I mean, because she already started her hair, this is getting done faster than we expected. As you can see, guys, I'm almost done with her hair. I'm on the last one, and it took about 7 hours to do. We got started around 2 p.m. and probably got done around 8:30ish or 9ish, and that was a good time frame, especially since she already started her braids. And in order to install these pre-made locks, you do have to braid your hair first. And like I said, since she started that, this took a shorter time to do, and that's awesome. And all I had to do was just come in and install these pre-made locks. Okay guys, so these are the final results of her hair. Her hair is a little bit longer because she did attach 2 locks together. So if you do prefer that method, that's something that you can do as well. But I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay safe during quarantine.